How to find CVV on Chase app. Open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone or tablet device. Log in using your Chase username and password credentials securely. You have to tap the menu icon located at the top left corner. Select accounts from the displayed menu options available on screen. Choose the credit card account you need the CVV for. Tap on card details to view information about your card. Look for the section labeled security code or CVV displayed. If not visible, tap on show card number to reveal details. Verify your identity through fingerprint, face recognition, or account password. The CVV number should now be visible on the screen. Note the CVV number and ensure your account security is maintained. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.